guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be doing a laundry haul, not a laundry haul, sorry, a haul video for stuff that I got from Takealot. First and foremost, I've got this skip washing powder. It's a 9 kg. Excuse me, sorry. It was on special. And then I got these comfort fabric conditioners. I got 4 of them. These the other ones. Sorry, there's another one. There's another one. It's the 3 liters. And something that's not for the laundry, it's this dishwasher tablets. It's the 100 pack. I also bought this. I've already started using this because I was completely out of it. It's the Oxy Ultra Wash fabric stain remover. I use mostly this thing for my kids' clothes, you know, and mine as well, because I do a lot of projects and I need that Oxy clean to remove some of the stains and make my washing even cleaner. This was supposed to be coming on my Monday order, but I see they've already put it here. It's Barkeeper's Friend. If you haven't started using this thing, get your hands on it like ASAP. You will thank me later. If you know you have got like stainless steel sink, your tub, your tiles, anything and everything, Barkeeper's Friend, you'll thank me. I see also that they gave me these Omo capsules to try. I will try them because I'm already doing laundry, so yeah.